Hi, welcome. This is Chiranjeevi. Today's topic is competitive part of continuity and differentiability. Last class we have learned problems 1 to 20. Today we are going to learn 21. So next result, if y equal to square root of f of x plus square root of f of x plus square root of f of x plus etc. to infinity, then dy by dx can be written as f dash of x divided by 2y minus 1, or the same can be written as if y equal to square root of f of x plus y, then dy by dx equal to f dash x divided by 2y minus 1. Very important standard. Now problem, if y equal to square root of log x plus y, then dy by dx equal to, options are given. See, from the result f of x value is log x. Differentiating with respect to x, f dash x will be 1 by x. So now substituting in the result, dy by dx equal to f dash x by 2y minus 1, which is nothing but 1 by x into 2y minus 1, which is the option C. Now next problem, 22nd one, if y equal to square root of tan x plus square root of tan x plus etc. to infinity, then dy by dx equal to, here f of x value is tan x, so f dash x will become secant square x. Substituting in the standard result, dy by dx equal to f dash x divided by 2y minus 1, which is secant square x divided by 2y minus 1, which is option B. Now the next result, if y equal to f of x power f of x power f of x etc. to infinity, then dy by dx equal to y square divided by 1 minus log y into f dash x divided by f of x, or if y equal to f of x power y, then dy by dx equal to y square divided by 1 minus log y into f dash x divided by f. Now we go for the problem, if y equal to x power x power x power etc. to infinity, then dy by dx equal to, options are there. Now f of x equal to x, differentiating with respect to x, f dash x will be 1. So now substituting in the result, dy by dx equal to y square by 1 minus log y into 1 by x. So here we don't have any option, so the option will be D. Now 24th, if y equal to sin inverse x by 2 plus cos inverse x by 2, then dy by dx equal to, options 1 minus 1 0 2. Here y equal to sin inverse x by 2 plus cos inverse x by 2. See, we have a standard result for this, so the value of sin inverse x by 2 plus cos inverse x by 2 can be taken as pi by 2. So differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx will be 0. Differentiation of a constant is 0. So next one, if y equal to 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 4 by 4 factorial plus etc., then dy by dx equal to, now we take the value of y, if you differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx equal to, differentiation of 1 is 0, differentiation of x is 1, differentiation of x square will be 2x by 2, differentiation of x cube is 3x square and 3 factorial value is 6, differentiation of x power 4 is 4x cube divided by 4 factorial value is 24. So now if you simplify, this will become 1 plus x square by 2 plus x cube by 6 plus etc. So now this we can rewrite it as 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus etc., which is nothing but the value of y. So the option is A. So the next one, if x equal to a cos cube theta, y equal to a sin cube theta, then dy by dx is given the values. See, this is a standard result, you need to remember this. In regular PUC you have learned this problem. The standard result is dy by dx equal to minus cube root of y by x, which is option A. So next one, if y equal to 2 power log x, then dy by dx equal to, options are there. So the value of y is 2 power log x. If you differentiate with respect to x, it will become dy by dx equal to 2 power log x will become 2 power log x into log 2 into differentiation of log x is 1 by x. See here, we know that a power x differentiation is a power x into log a. So 2 power log x will become 2 power log x into log 2 and differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So which is option C. So now we have learned the same kind of problem. If y equal to 1 minus x plus x square by 2 factorial minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 4 by 4 factorial minus etc., then dy by dx equal to. Now we take the value of y. If you differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx equal to differentiation of 1 is 0, differentiation of x is 1, differentiation of x square will become 2x and 2 factorial is 2, minus differentiation of x cube will become 3x square divided by differentiation of 3 factorial is 6, plus differentiation of x power 4 will become 4x cube divided by 24, plus etc. So this will be rewritten as minus 1 plus x minus x square by 6 plus x square by 2 plus x cube by 24 plus etc. So now this we can write it as minus 1 minus x plus x square by 2 factorial minus x cube by 3 factorial plus etc., which is equal to minus y, which is equal to minus y. So the option is D. Now the next problem, 29th one, if y equal to tan inverse x whole square, then x square plus 1 whole square y2 plus 2x into x square plus 1 y1 is equal to. See, this is a standard result. In regular PUC you will be learning this for 5 marks. The standard result is, if y equal to tan inverse x whole square, then x square plus 1 whole square y2 plus 2x into x square plus 1 y1 equal to 2. So the option. Next one, let f of x equal to x minus 1 by x, then f dash minus 1 is, this is asked in the year 2018. So f of x is x minus 1 by x. If we differentiate with respect to x, f dash x is differentiation of x is 1 minus of differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So it will become 1 plus 1 by x square. Now we need to substitute x equal to minus 1. So this will become f dash of minus 1 equal to 1 plus minus 1 whole square. So it will become 1 plus 1 is 2. So which is option B. Now the next one, if y equal to square root of x plus square root of x plus square root of x plus etc. to infinity, then dy by dx. This is also asked in the year 2018. So we know the standard result, and from this f of x value is x. If you differentiate with respect to x, f dash x equal to 1. So the result is dy by dx equal to f dash x by 2y minus 1. So substituting f dash x, it will be 1 by 2y minus 1, which is option D. So if cos y equal to x into cos a plus y with cos a equal to plus or minus 1, then dy by dx equal to. So this is asked in the year 2018. See here, you can remember standard result, dy by dx equal to cos square a plus y divided by sin a, which is option B, or cos y equal to x into cos a plus y. So shifting cos y to this side, x will be cos y divided by cos a plus y. Differentiating with respect to y, dx by dy equal to denominator square denominator into differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator. So we get it as cos square a plus y in the denominator, cos a plus y into differentiation of cos y is minus sin y, minus cos y into differentiation of denominator will become minus sin a plus y. So now the numerator is in the form of Sin A minus B. Sin A minus B is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So if we substitute, it will be sin A plus y minus y. Plus y minus y cancels. But we need the value of dy by dx. So if you reciprocate, dy by dx will be cos square A plus y divided by sin. Now the next one, if f of x equal to modulus of cos x minus sin x, then f dash pi by 6 is equal to. This is also asked in the year 2018. So here f of x is modulus cos x minus sin x. So we need to find pi by 6, which is 30 degrees, which is comes in the first quadrant. So all are positive. So f of x can be written as cos x minus sin x. Differentiating with respect to x, f dash x will become differentiation of cos x is minus sin x minus differentiation of sin x is cos x. So now substituting x equal to pi by 6, so it will become minus sin by 6 minus cos pi by 6. So now substituting sin pi by 6, sin pi by 6 is root 3 by 2, cos pi by 6 is 1 by 2. So if you take minus outside, it will be root 3 plus 1 by 2. Root 3 plus 1 by 2, which is option A. Which is option A. So next problem. If f of x equal to kx square, if x less than or equal to 2. 3. If x greater than 2 is continuous at x equal to 2, then the value of k is, which is asked in the year 2017. So here if you have lesser and greater, we need to go for LHL equal to RHL. Left hand limit equal to right hand limit. Limit extends to 2 minus f of x equal to limit extends to 2 plus f of x. So 2 minus function limit extends to 2 kx square. 2 plus function is limit extends to 2 3. So if we need to remove the limit, we need to substitute the value of x is 2. So it will be k into 2 square equal to 3. So the value of k will be 3 by 4, which is option C. So here if y equal to determinant of f of x, g of x, h of x, L, M, N, A, B, C, then dy by dx is equal to, which is asked in the year 2017. See here we have a standard result. If y equal to f of x, g of x, h of x, L, M, N, A, B, C, then dy by dx will be only differentiating the functions. So it will be f dash x, g dash x, h dash x, L, M, N, A, B, C. Taking it as equation 1, if you take transpose for that, it will become f dash x, L, A, g dash x, M, B, h dash x, N, C. Which is if you take transpose of a determinant, the value of the determinant will be same. Now similarly, if I interchange the rows, it will become L, M, N, A, B, C, f dash x, g dash x, h dash x. So here the options A, C and D are same. So now if y equal to tan inverse sin x plus cos x divided by cos x minus sin x, then dy by dx is equal to, which is asked in the year 2017. See here we have standard result. Last class we have done the standard result. D by dx of tan inverse sin x plus cos x divided by cos x minus sin x will be always 1. If in the numerator we have plus, it will be 1. If in the numerator you have negative, it will be minus 1. Or if you take cos x common both in the numerator and denominator, so it will be y equal to tan inverse of 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. So 1 can be taken as tan pi by 4. So tan inverse of tan pi by 4 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan x. So which is the formula for tan pi by 4 plus x? Tan inverse and tan vanish, so it will become pi by 4 plus 1. Differentiating with respect to x, differentiation of pi by 4 is 0, differentiation of x is 1. Either you can remember the standard result or you can go by the method. The option is, so next one, the derivative of cos inverse 2x square minus 1 with respect to cos inverse x is. So here we have u equal to cos inverse 2x square minus 1. So this is the standard formula for 2 cos inverse x. So the value of cos inverse x is v. So u can be taken as 2 into v. So now if you differentiate with respect to v, du by dv equal to 2. So cos inverse 2x square minus 1, how you get it as 2 cos inverse x? You substitute x equal to cos theta. Theta will be cos inverse x. So it will become cos inverse of 2 cos square theta minus 1. So 2 cos square theta minus 1 is cos 2 theta. So cos inverse and cos goes, it will become 2 theta. So it will be 2 cos inverse x. So now the next one, if sin x equal to 2t by 1 plus t square, tan y equal to 2t by 1 minus t square, then dy by dx is equal to. So if sin x equal to 2t by 1 plus t square, sin x equal to sin 2t. So x will be 2 tan inverse t. Similarly, for y also you will be getting 2 tan inverse t. For both x and y are same, if you differentiate you will get the same value, so the answer will be 1. Or sin x equal to 2t by 1 plus t square. So x can be taken as sin inverse 2t by 1 plus t square. So substitute t equal to tan theta, theta will be tan inverse t. So x equal to sin inverse 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So x equal to sin inverse sin 2 theta. So x equal to 2 theta, x equal to 2 tan inverse t. Differentiating with respect to t, dx by dt equal to 2 into differentiation of tan inverse t is 1 by 1 plus t square. Now coming to this side, tan y equal to 2t by 1 minus t square. Y can be taken as tan inverse 2t by 1 minus t square. Substituting for t, y equal to tan inverse of 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. So y can be taken as tan inverse of tan 2 theta. So y is 2 theta. Y equal to 2 tan inverse t. Differentiating with respect to t, dy by dx equal to 2 into 1 by 1 plus t square. So dy by dx is nothing but dy by dt divided by dx by dt. 2 by 1 plus t square divided by 2 by 1 plus t square equal to 1. So which is option A. So now if y equal to log of log x, then d square y by dx square is equal to, this is also asked in the year 2017. So y equal to log of log x, differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx will be 1 by log x into 1 by x. So now once again differentiating, we need to go by quotient rule. X log x whole square, in the numerator x log x differentiation of 1 is 0, minus 1 into, in the denominator we have two terms, so we need to go by product rule. X into 1 by x plus log x. So the answer d square y by dx square equal to minus 1 plus log x divided by x log x whole square, which is option A. Now 40th, the value of c in mean value theorem for the function f of x equal to x square in 2, 4 is, which is asked in the year 2017. By mean value theorem, f dash c is f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. So f of x is x square. If you differentiate, f dash x is 2x. So f dash c will become 2c equal to f of 4 minus f of 2 divided by 4 minus 2. So substituting f of 4, 4 square is 16. F of 2, 2 square is 4. So 2c is 16 minus 4 by 2. 2c is 12 by 2. 2c is 6. So c equal to 3, which belongs to 2, 4. So thank you, yours Chiranjeevi. Please subscribe and like, share and